Assalamu alaikum to all the students. Welcome to you all in our English language class. This is our lecture number 33 and we have the topic noun, adjective and adverb formation, that how can we make adjective and adverb or verb with the nouns. Before starting any exercise, I want to have a warm-up exercise. I will ask some of the students to let me know about what are nouns, verb, adverb, so that we can properly start the lecture. Yes. Sheroz, can you give me the reply? What are adverbs? How can you identify, or how will you give the definition of adverbs? That how can we describe them? Yes. Yes, Sheroz. Are you there? Sheroz, can you give me the reply? What are adverbs?
Miss adverbs are the words that describes a verb.
That describes the verb. Very good, Shabash. And can you give me any example of adverb?
Yes, miss. For example, slowly, fastly,
Yes,
fiercely,
fastly. Yes,
hungrily,
very good.
greedily.
Shabash. Very nice. Yes, Sumaya. What are adjectives? Sumaya, can you give me the reply of what are the adjectives?
They are modified verbs that describe a noun such as size, colors, and numbers.
Very good. And give me an example of that.
Small, heavy, many, yellow,
Small, okay, and
many,
many. Very good. It can be a number, it can be a color of the thing, of the noun. Very good, Shabash. Okay, so we should start now. First of all, I would like you all to have your books in front of you so that we can start the written work, because there is nothing to explain or to have a proper lecture about that. Okay, you all know that noun, verbs, adjective and adverbs we have already revised. So we should start the written work. Everybody open your books. Page number 70 and exercise number 7E. Page number 70 and exercise number 7E. At the top of the page, add ly or able, okay? Add ly or able to the following words, altering the spelling where necessary. You have to make these words, you have to make these words in different way, and you have to use ly and able at the end of each and every word, so that they would become, they would change their type, as well as you have to alter the spellings at the end. You have to sometimes remove e, okay, so that it can be having a correct spelling. Okay, sometimes where necessary you have to alter the spellings, not necessary कि आपको हर word के end का word या end का letter remove करना पड़े. Where necessary you have to be very careful about that. So before starting, you have to make the index. First, maintain the index when you will open the copies. Maintain the index with today's date. You have to mention the topic, noun, adjective, adverb, formation. Okay, this is the complete topic name, noun, adjective, and adverb formation. Okay, after maintaining the index, open your copies from where you will start the written work. First, make the title page. First of all, make the title page of the same topic name, which is noun, adjective and adverb formation. Okay. Write down the topic name at the title page, and then from the next page, note down the date. At the left side, at the red border, you have to give page number and exercise number. After written or giving the heading at red border, with the very next line, you have to write down this line which is already written in the book. It is not a question, okay? It is a note, you may say. Just write it down, add ly or able to the following words, comma, altering the spelling where necessary. Okay? By doing this, you can make its adjective and adverb. Okay, by adding ly and able, you can make them adjective or adverb. I hope you have all written that. Now make two columns. Make two columns. This is the topic name. Alishba Rizwan, this is the topic name, noun, adjective and adverb formation. This is the topic name, noun, adjective and adverb formation. Okay. Now make two columns for the words and their adverb or adjectives. Yes, first of all, let me know that what they will become after adding ly or able. Why should we add ly or able to modify these words? वो क्या बन जाएंगे फिर? Can anybody tell me? These are the simple words, but by adding ly or able, what could we have? Yes, yes, Muhammad Ali, very good. They would become adverbs. So first column will be of words. First column of words. And the second one of adverb and adjective both. Okay, we have to make adverb and adjective both, because some words will become adjective and some words will become adverbs. Number one is notice. What we will add here to make it or to modify it? ly use करेंगे या able use करेंगे? Can anybody tell me? Yes, what will we use? Because with particular words we will use ly, and for some words we will use able. Is it not possible with every word we can use ly or able? Yes, very good. Able we will use with number one, notice, noticeable. Okay, notice and noticeable. Now number two, true. With true, what we will use? Yes, with true we will use ly. It become truly. Yes, very good. See here, with notice we will use noticeable. True के साथ we will use ly, so it will become truly. With whole we will use ly. It will become wholly. Very good. With change we will use able. Very good, Zainab and Sharoz both. Very good. It will become changeable. Okay. It will become changeable. With due, we will use ly. It will become duly. Very good. And immediate के साथ we will use ly, immediately. Very good. And with service we will use serviceable. Now where we have to alter the spelling, with service we will not alter e. ठीक है, serviceable. Complete you have to write service till e and then able. आप e को omit नहीं करेंगे. Okay. With changeable, change के साथ we have to alter this e. Okay, changeable नहीं होगा, it will become changeable. Okay. And notice, with notice we have to, yes of course Mohammad Ahmad Hassan, we have to copy it down in the copies. Everybody has to copy it down. As I told you that first maintain the index, title page बनाए, and then at the next page you have to start writing. Obviously I'm giving you the written work over here. Okay, noticeable, truly, wholly. Wholly again you have to alter e from here. You have to use wholly, wholly, changeable, duly, immediately, and then serviceable. Now we have next exercise, which is 15C, page number 174. I hope you all have done the first one. Come to page number 174. Come to page number 174 so that we can start the next exercise. Whole का answer is wholly, wholly. In page number 174, 15C, what you have to do, give three adjectives having the endings ish, less, or ous. Okay, in exercise 15C, page number 174, part A, you have to make some adjectives. At the end, these adjectives should end at the letters ish. Okay. Yes, give the heading at the red border, okay, of exercise 15C, page number 174. Then with the very next line, you have to write down this question. Part A, give three adjectives having the endings ish, less, and ous. Yes, Subhana. Yes, very good. I want you all to give these different words in the mic, okay, so that everybody can listen. Okay. Yes, Zainab. Give me one word with ish, less, or ous.
Childish.
Very good.
Childish, careless,
Yes.
or
no, Alishbar is one. Lotus is the name. Okay, वो तो noun हो जाएगा. We have to make adjective by using ous. Okay, lotus is not an adjective. Yes, ous के साथ how can we make adjective? Anybody else who can give me the reply of this? Yes, Halima Tahir, how can we make an adjective by using ous at the end? Yes, Halima.
Continuous.
Give me the adjectives by using ous at the end.
Continuous.
Can you hear me? Halima, can you hear me?
No.
Okay, fine. Leave. Vanya. Yes, you give me. Yes, Vanya?
Fish.
Yes. Fish is a noun. Fish is not an adjective. Okay, we have to make adjectives. Yes. Fish is
Homeless.
not. हाँ, बोलिए.
Homeless.
Homeless. Okay. And
Famous.
famous. Very good. And ISH के साथ you have made fish. Fish is a noun. Fish is not an adjective. Give me an adjective with ISH. Selfish, है ना?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Okay, fine. Yes, Muhammad Umar. Give me different adjectives, okay? Don't repeat the same. Yes, Umar?
Numerous.
Okay, yes, humorous and
Senseless.
senseless, very good. And
Oldish.
childish, very good. Shabash. Adventurous, very good. Yes, Sheroz, can you give me 3 words?
Yes, stylish, colorless, and industrious.
And industrious, very good. Shabash. Yes, Subhana? Yes, Subhana?
Miss.
Hmm.
Miss Poisonous. Homeless.
Yes.
Foolish.
And foolish, very good. Very nice. I hope you all have done this part A. Now we should start part B of that exercise. Give 3 verbs having the endings ISE, LY and EN. In books, it's misprinted. It is LY, not FLY. Okay, because fly itself is a verb. Okay, so we cannot make it is already a verb. तो उसको मजीद verb by using different words or letters before that we cannot make any verb. Okay, so make 3 words having the endings of these particular words which are given to you. Yes, who will reply me first? Anam Zafar, can you give me 3 words? Yes, Anam? Anam Zafar, are you there? Okay, fine. Jay Kumar, can you please make 3 verbs by using these words at the end?
Miss, number 1, rice.
Rise, very good.
Number 2,
Hmm.
fly.
Fly, okay, fine. And then 3.
Number 3,
Yes. Acha, okay,
Miss,
fine.
10.
10.
Yes, miss.
10 is a verb.
Oh, no, miss, no.
Then you have to give me the action word, which is verb. Okay, fine. Just wait. Who can give us the new word of that? Yes, Muhammad Umar, can you give me the word with en at the end?
Hidden.
Hmm? Yes, Umar.
Belgium.
Sorry, loudly. Can you please speak loudly?
Woman. Woman.
I'm not getting the word.
Woman.
Okay, okay, fine. Can you please give me the spelling in the chat box, because maybe there is a problem with my speaker or maybe your mic. Hidden, okay, fine. Woman is not a verb. Alishbar Isban, women is not a verb. We have to make verbs. Okay, be careful that what you have to make. Yes, eaten. Eaten can be a threaten. Okay, happen. Okay, fine. And okay, Anam Zafar. Okay, fine, no problem. Yes, and so you have to make 3 words like this. Okay, arise, rise, fly. Okay, and with en you can use threaten. Yes, Sheroz. Where is Sheroz? I want to listen you. Yes, Sheroz. Give me the reply.
Miss, minimize.
Minimize, very good.
Miss, hurriedly.
But you have to make verb, not adverb. Are you getting?
Yes, miss.
What you are
So,
making
miss,
hurriedly, it's an adverb.
miss
आप
fallen.
उसको बना रहे हैं. Yes.
Fallen.
Fallen, yes. ly से बनाइए. अच्छा, okay, fine. It's okay. Yes. Fly के अलावा वानिया, can you make any verb with ly?
Miss, advise,
Advise, okay.
apply,
Apply, very good.
happen.
Happen, very nice. Very good. So I hope you all have completed this exercise. Wisely, very good, Fatma Nadeem, but wisely is not a verb. Okay, wisely is not a verb, it is adverb. You have to make verb over here. ठीक है? Exercise, very good. Apply, rise, eaten, very good. Asiya, very nice. Shabash, very good. Hajra. Okay. Rapidly is also not a verb. It's an adverb. Okay. Be careful about making the verbs. Knowingly, it's not a verb, Hajra. Knowingly is not a verb. Okay, fine. Now come to the next exercise. Come to the next one. It is exercise 15D, page number 175. Okay, you are given two columns A and B. Okay, you are given two columns and you have to categorize these words according to their columns. Yes. It is 15D and exercise B, page number 175. Now give the nouns from the same verbs. Okay. Now give the nouns from the same verbs. The first one has been done for you, means the first column which is given to you, it is all verb. You have to make noun from these verbs. Yes. You have to make two columns, one of verbs and the second one of noun. Yes, warn, noun is warning, remind, noun is reminder, advise, noun is advice. Just S and C are different, otherwise the whole spelling and the pronunciation is same. Okay, then hint is also a verb and a noun. Threaten, threatening, scold, scold, dissuade, dissuasive, recommend, recommendation, persuade, persuasion, suggest, suggestion. Okay, you have to make two columns for verb and noun and then make their nouns of the given verbs. Is there any problem writing this? Just let me know when all of you have completed. Okay, then I'll be asking some presentation questions Okay, before completing this lecture, okay, okay, good, good, Rumesa. Ramla, where are you today? You are not raising the hand. Why you are so quiet? Okay, very good. Dissuade means to finish something. Okay, dissuade means to finish something. If you also take out the meaning from dictionary, you will get the meaning. Dissuade means किसी चीज़ को ख़त्म करना. Okay, मना करना, ख़त्म करना. You deny with something or to cancel out or to finish something or to complete something. Okay. मना करना is also okay to keep the people away from that. किसी चीज़ से रोकना, किसी चीज़ से बाज आने की हिदायत करना या किसी चीज़ से मना करना, this is also called dissuade. And dissuasive means anything. His dissuasive words keep me away from the particular work. Okay, so this can be the sentence. Acha, now I will first ask some sentences by using these nouns. Okay, you people will be using one by one a word in your own sentences. Okay. Coincidence means शेरोज. Coincidence का मतलब होता है इत्तेफाक. Okay, just for example, you are in the market for shopping, okay, and I meet you over there at the same shop. Okay, so we say what a coincidence. Okay, that something happened to you and it happened to me also. Okay, we are at the same boat. This is called coincidence. इत्तेफाक से. ठीक है. Okay, you welcome. Now I will call some students and give them numbers so that they can use these types of words, these nouns. Okay, you all have to use nouns in your sentences. आपने वर्ड यूज नहीं करने, नाउन यूज करने हैं. बी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट दैट. ओके, आई डोंट वांट वर्ड्स, आई वांट nouns to use in your own sentences. And everybody can give me the reply in the chat box. Only those who will raise the hand, I will ask them to unmute and give me the reply in the mic. Otherwise everybody will write in the chat box their answers, because I know so many people have they don't have a proper mic. Okay, so it's better not to waste the time. Okay, all those who are not having proper mic, they can write down in the chat box, and all those who can give me the reply in the mic, they will raise the hands. Okay, so that I can ask them to unmute themselves and then give me the reply. Okay, Afra, you will reply me for number 1, warning. Okay, you will make sentence of warning, not warn. Okay, I need this word warning should be used in your sentence. Afra will give me number 1. Okay, Ayman Nasir, you will reply me for number 2, reminder. Okay, Rumesa Abid, you will give me the answer of number 3. Yes, Rumesa, I am asking you to unmute yourself and then give me the answer. You will use reminder in your sentence. Yes. Yes, Rumesa Abid. Can you give me the reply in the mic? Yes.
The teacher have given me reminder of my uh, tomorrow's test.
Tomorrow's test. Very good. Good. Answer is right. अच्छा, you don't have to make the sentences right now. Okay, अभी आपने sentences नहीं बनाने copies में. I'm just asking you to use these words in your sentences. Okay. Okay, fine. Now, Anam Zafar, you will make sentence of advice. ठीक है? Noun. Advice. Give me in the chat box if you can't speak in the mic. Okay. Now, threatening. Threatening. Abir Fatima, you will give me the answer of threatening. A sentence of using threatening in that. Then, recommendation. Alishba Rizwan, you will give me the sentence of recommendation. Okay, recommendation ka banayenge aap. And then Hania Fahim, you will give me the sentence of suggestion. Okay, all those who cannot, who are not having proper mic, they can reply me in the chat box. Hania Fahim, suggestion. Okay, Iman Rashid, persuasion. Persuasion means, persuade means to force. Persuasion, ठीक है, उस जोर जिसको हम कहते हैं, टू फोर्स. ओके, यस. Who are willing to give me the response? Yes, Halima. Halima will use scold. Okay, Halima, you will use the word scold in your sentence. Halima, can you give me the sentence?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
The teacher scold me by my writing, for my writing.
This is verb. What you are using, this is verb. कि टीचर ने मुझे डांटा. It is an action verb. I am telling you to use it as a noun. Okay, आपने noun के तौर पे use करना है. This what I am saying to you, that be proper, be very careful and attentive. What I am saying, that you have to use these words as a noun. डांट, ठीक है, आपने ये यूज नहीं करना डांटा, ठीक है, या डांट रहे थे या whatever. आपने डांट को यूज करना है, स्कोल्ड को यूज करना है. यस. अलिशबा, recommendation means to recommend something, किसी चीज़ को follow करने के लिए, that I have shopped from this market and I found my desired dress, so you should go at the same shop. This is called recommendation, कि मैंने वहाँ से कोई चीज़ purchase की थी and I liked it so much, so I am recommending you also to go there and purchase something over there. Recommendation means किसी चीज़ को कहीं जाने के लिए, कुछ करने के लिए suggest करना, recommend करना. Okay, this is called recommendation. Advice, my mother gave me the advice. Very good, Rida. Good. Miss, yes, Asia, you can make the sentence of hint. Hint, or you can say clue. ठीक है? Iman Rashid, you have made a very nice sentence. She agreed to come after a little gentle persuasion. Very nice. Very good. थ्रेटनिंग मीन्स फातिमा नदीम, थ्रेट मीन्स धमकी देना. ठीक है, थ्रेट मीन्स धमकी देना. थ्रेटनिंग मीन्स धमकी आमेज, लाइक द स्टॉर्म इज थ्रेटनिंग. ठीक है, एंड हिज वॉइस वॉज थ्रेटनिंग. दिस मीनिंग, थ्रेट मीन्स धमकाना. ओके, आई हर्ड अ शॉर्ट ऑफ वार्निंग. वेरी गुड. Okay, chale, fine. It's okay. I should now ask to the questions first. Yes, Ayman, can you give me reply for question number 1? Ayman Nasir, give me the answer of question number 1. What are nouns and verbs? What is the difference between the noun and verb? Whether you want to give me the answer in mic, through mic, or you can also write the answer in the chat box also. Whole ka wholly, WHOLLY. Wholly. Wholly means completely. Whole का मतलब complete and wholly completely. This is actually adverb. Yes, Nusaiba. Do you want to ask something or should I ask the question to you? Ayman Nasir, I asked you question. Yes, give me the reply. Yes, Nusaiba. Give me the answer of number 2. Make adverb of true. True ka adverb, what will it be? The adverb of true is Nusaiba. Can you give me the answer? Verb is an action word and noun is a word used for person, place or thing. Very good, Ayman. Shabash. Adverb of true is truly. Very good. And adjective of beauty is beautiful. Very good. I asked to Nusaiba also. Nusaiba is not giving me the answer.
This
Yes.
truly.
Nusaiba?
Adverb of true is truly.
Truly. Yes. Very good. Okay. Make a noun of remind. Talha Adnan, give me the answer in the mic. Make a noun of remind.
Reminded.
Sorry?
It's reminded.
No, reminded is the third form of remind. I am asking you about the noun.
Miss, reminder.
Reminder. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Yes. Ramla, what is advice and advice? What is the difference between them? Where is Ramla? We have still 3 minutes. Yes, Ramla. Give me the difference between both words. Advice or advise. What is the difference between both?
मिस एक एडवाइस वो जो मिस किसी को मशवरा देना.
Dena. Dena means it's a verb.
Yes.
Okay. और वो कौन सा advice है? CE और SE?
मिस उसमें से है मिस आई थिंक SE.
SE, which is the verb. Yes. And CE wala, it is?
It is noun.
It is noun. Very good. Shabash. Now always remember this thing that SE is advise and it is called verb, and CE it is noun. ठीक है?
Okay, miss.
Okay. Thank you so much. So everyone, we have completed this topic today. Noun, adverb, adjective and verb formation. Okay, I will upload this homework. There is a list also. You have to write it down in your copies. It is a list of by making 2-3 columns, maybe 4 columns. Okay, some words will be given to you and you have to find some words and write over there. You have to make 4 columns for noun, adverb, adjective and verb. Okay, you have to give the proper heading and properly, neatly and cleanly you have to make the columns. Okay, उसको बहुत ज़्यादा congested नहीं कीजिएगा. Give proper space between the words. Okay, and make your writing should be very proper. Maybe you will be having some problems, so you can also take front 2 pages. Okay, when you will be opening the copies, left or right दोनों pages आपके empty होने चाहिए, so that you can make 2 columns at the left page and 2 columns at the right page. Okay, जो आमने सामने वाले जो pages होते हैं, try to write this type of copy or pages. Okay, कि आमने सामने आपके empty pages हों. Okay, you will be having 2 empty pages in front of each other, so that you can make 2 columns at the left page and 2 columns at the right page. Okay, you will be writing very neatly and clearly by this. Okay, thank you all of you. Inshallah we will meet tomorrow with the new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.